Hi, I'm the CEO of Clarity Products. We make communication devices for people with disability, mostly hearing loss. Most of our business is through government agencies and distributors, but e-commerce was becoming more and more important for us, and we needed to get a handle on Amazon and Walmart's marketplaces. There's lots of good tools on those platforms to learn how to use them, but we felt we needed some more professional guidance, so we reached out to Sidra at CaptenAMZ to help us through that, and it's been a very good experience. They have a good knowledge of the platforms, they communicate very well, and despite being on a different time zone than us, they are always prompt with their responses. So we couldn't be more happy. They've kind of become an extension of our team. And if there's anything else you'd like to know from me, please reach out to me at clarityproducts.com.